Welcome to Tita Cheryl and Lexins. This is Lexins. Vlog. I have something for you. Dragonfly. Wow, it's dragonfly. Dragonfly. Hawak dragonfly. Dragonfly. Wow, it's dragonfly. Wow, it's dragonfly. Nala, dragonfly.
Wait lang.
Hawak mo. Dragonfly. Lipad.
Lumipad na.
Ilan na. Here, Dragonfly, Ay, wait lang. Lexin, dragonfly, Lexin. Dito. Dala, dragonfly. Hawak mo yung kanya, yung... Ayan. Hawak mo. Lexin, hawak Lexin. Dragonfly tata. Wow, hawak mo yung kanya.
Hawak mo na.
Fly. Fly siya, fly.
Ano yan?
Dragonfly. Dragonfly. Oh, yes. Mami, dragonfly. It's dragonfly. Dragonfly tata. Ay, lagay natin sa box. Yes. Box yan. Lala. Yes. Lagay natin sa box. Ay, butas. Here. Here.
Butas.
Yan. Hindi, may dumi. Lagyan natin dyan yung dragonfly mo.
Wait lang.
Dragonfly. Lilipad yan, lipad.
Close. Dragonfly.
Yes, may dragonfly si Lexin. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. Wow, nanganak ko. What's that? Open, lipad yan.
Lilipad yan. Ano yan? Pakita mo kay Daddy.
What's that?
Daddy, I have dragonfly.
A very good dragonfly. Yes.
Daddy, you dragonfly.
Glit ng mata sa ikon mo.
Dragonfly.
Pakita mo kay Nang. Nang kay Nang. Nang. Pakita mo kay Nang. Ay, si Nang. Dragonfly, Nang.
Nang, dragonfly. Okay, bye ka na. Bye, guys. Bye ka na, bye. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you. Come on.
Bye-bye na.